SERV stock analysis next week, Monday and onward. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1-minute video till the end to find out. Looking at SERV robotics, I'm still trying to double down on this bullishness. Now, I'm gonna hide stuff that I already called out here, which really should not be even like no more on the chart. So I'm just gonna hide that. The only case in which I'd still look for buy and is going to be if the price shows me that it wants to go up. By doing what? By going to the upside, of course, and breaking at least like 2 times. So that's what I want to see. Like, I would just simply want to see this red thing happen, and only if it does, only then I'm taking it higher. Anything else, bro, complete noise, not interested. So if you want to learn the strategy that I'm using, that's, by the way, previously delivered thousands of correct predictions, check the first link in the description. All reviews are 5 stars. And obviously, don't get me wrong, it's not like I'm just going to randomly buy here. I'm just still waiting for the rules. It's all demo and simulated environment, so please do your due diligence.